Natural numbers are enclosed within four distinct groups governed by Euler's mathematical formula e to the power I pi is equal to -1, which contains the fundamental constants of nature, Euler's exponential constant e, pi, imaginary unit I, real unit 1, and the negative inverse. The four number groups are represented by n plus equals to 4n for positive real even numbers, ni equals 4n plus 1 for positive imaginary odd numbers, n minus equals 4n plus 2 for negative real even numbers, and n minus I equals to 4n plus 3 for negative imaginary odd numbers. Euler's fundamental constant intrinsically encloses these foundational wholly numbers: singularity 1, duality 2, and trinity 3 of nature.